Welcome back to another video tutorial brought to you by thevirtualinstructor.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at creating a tool called a value finder, and this is a very useful tool for anyone who likes to draw. So I've started with an index card here, and what I'm doing is I'm just creating a value scale on this index card. Now value is one of the 7 elements of art, and if you ask me, I think value is probably one of the more important elements of art. They're all important, but value is how we see things. We see things because of darks and lights. It has nothing to do with color. Take, for example, a black and white photograph. You can see it, yet there's no color there. So it's very important for anyone who wants to draw realistically or representationally to understand value and be able to use value well. So that's how this value finder comes into play. It will help you be sure that you create a full range of value in your artworks, especially your drawings. So create a good value scale, and my value scale is pretty quick. You can really take your time and make a really neat one. I made squares. You don't have to make squares. You can do any shape that you want. The next thing you want to do is just take a little hole puncher and punch holes next to each one of the values that you've created. Alright, now your value finder is complete. You can take a photograph, or you can hold it up against something to see the values. In this case I have a black and white photograph, and you can see you can lay your value finder right on top of the photograph you may be using for your resource material and match up the values, and that way you're assured that you're putting the right value on your paper. It's just a little useful tool to help you out. Now, like I said, you can hold this up. If you're drawing from life, you can hold it up and look through the holes and have the values right there, and it'll help you match up your values. So the value finder will help you make sure that you have a full range of value in all your artworks, which is essential.